Alright, hi, it's Tyler from Reviews of Cool Stuff, and today we're looking at this travel duffel bag by Inspira or Inspira. This is a really cool duffel bag. So I loaded it up just to show you some of the features. So here on the back side we've got just a small pocket. On the front there's a larger pocket that you can put stuff in. Comes with a shoulder strap, and then unzip that. Now here's where it gets interesting. Oh, first let me open this. So we've got a shoe compartment here on the side. Let me go ahead and take my shoes out. Alright, I can zip that back up. So it's nice to have that shoe compartment. Now when we unzip it, it unzips in an unconventional way. You actually take the zipper all the way out, and then you unzip the sides so it folds all the way open. Now, this is a kind of a weekend warrior backpack. Let me strap this real quick. And the reason I got it is as I travel for speaking engagements, I'll usually go, 1, 2, maybe 3 days. But I like to have, my laptop, a book to read, stuff like that. And so there's enough space inside, we can fold that in. Got a few days worth of clothes. And then inside, it has different pockets. So we can do our toiletries in here. We've got that, I've got my toothbrush and my toothpaste. So kind of your toiletry bag that you normally have packed separately or you throw in with your duffel bag. They have to build on the inside. And then this is the coolest feature. We take this off and it comes with its own garment bag. So once you get there, I have a garment bag in my garment bag. But it just has the hanger there and you can just hang this up in your closet. So your duffel bag turns into a garment bag, which is really cool. Or you can take it out and hang it up separately, and then you have more room in here for whatever, or you can just fold this up while you're in your hotel, and that's great. So it all folds up really tight. When you're not using it, you can fold it, and it's for storage. It's just this small little duffel bag, so it folds up really nicely. But you can fit a ton of stuff in there. For me, I could easily pack for a week with not just my clothes, but I could have an extra pair of shoes, I could have my computer and some books. So I can really pack a lot into this. So it's awesome, and this is under 50 bucks right now. So I'll put the link in the description below to Amazon, and highly recommend this, especially if you're a traveler. If you travel a lot, this is great because then you can take your suit or your dress or whatever and have that garment component inside. All right, thanks, bye.